The T1 Plus wireless touchpad for Windows. Comes in this cute second box. Does have a user manual, fabric covered USB to Type-C, and just a couple nice support and sticker type of things in a cute envelope. That's for the product itself. Nice black matte piece, fairly large, not too large, but fairly large. Perfect size for this. How you would connect it with Bluetooth is to hold down the connect button for a bit until it starts blinking, and then it will show up on your computer's Bluetooth as ProtoArc T1 Plus, and you can just connect to that. So you can see it's connected to my computer. Works like a regular mouse, left click, right click, but it's large, it's fast, and this is especially great if you have multiple screens, and instead of doing it on this little mouse pad, touchpad of the computer itself, now I have a large one, and I can just keep it near me or the other side, wherever I want to. And it's not a mouse that you have to move all around the table. It's literally just a touchpad, but it works just great. You can use it to select, you can use it to right click. Really, really, really wonderful product. Thank you to the brand for sending this to me for my review.